Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Motorola Moto G15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto G15 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G15 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you will find there something say system. So we're going to click over on it and then we're going to click here language. After click over language, we're going to click here system language, and from here if you decide to add new language, you need to click here add language, and from here you can easily choose any language you want. For example, I would like to choose this Francis, and then this is the region, which region I am to choose here, France. And now we can see this added. Now if you would like to set this language as default, you can just hold it and bring on number 1. So we're going to hold it and bring over number 1, and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to change your phone language to change to France? So we're going to choose here change, and immediately your phone everything going to appear new language. Actually even myself I don't know the France language, but maybe your phone has a wrong language and you're looking for how to change it to English. So we will use some trick how you can change your phone language to English. So first of all, you need to find out the gear icon. So how you can find out the gear icon? You can swipe up all screen and then you have to find out this is the gear icon. So we're going to click the setting, which is called setting, and then you need to scroll all the way down, and this is the system icon. So we're going to click over on it, and then we will see there is a some translate language icon. So we need to choose over on it, and then it's going to appear. You have to choose the first one, and from here if English is available it's fine. If it's not, you can click this plus icon and you can easily find out the English, and you can easily choose any region you want. So for example, I would like to English India, and then it's going to be add here. And if you like to change your phone language to English India, you can just hold it and bring over in number 1, and then the pop-up going to appear. Just make the right side, which is like apply to or set default language. Now you can see I successfully changed my phone language to English, even I don't know the French language. So within this simple way you can easily change language in your Moto G15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.